create a user model in React with our chat app, and for this we have given a brief architecture of how the users and messages will receive for the particular user when they interact with the chat system. So here we have created a users table as well as messages. So in user table, we will create a user model with the below fields, and this ID will be unique underscore ID for our React app. And in this way, will also create a timestamp for which the user will be created at and updated at field. And when the user will send a messages, though that will be sender and receiver ID will be captured with the text and an image. Okay, and the user we have given a permission like a member, since the user was registered at which time duration, that also we have given. So let's continue with our code and go to user studio video studio code, and I will create a user model with the below steps. Okay, so for this I will create a user model as per our below steps. So I hope it will be very much clear. So we will create a user model under backend folder with the model user dot underscore model dot js. So I have created a user model, and now I will import the mongoose package, which would be responsible for maintaining a user schema. And for this, I will create a constant user schema for it. So this schema I will copy it from here. This is a constant variable which we will define here, and here I will paste it. Okay, so step by step we'll go. So now this user schema, once we have created it, what we will do, we'll have the required fields. So what are those fields? Email, full name, password, and profile pic. So for this I will create a singular string with this below fields. So I will copy this here from here. Now here email will be type string, which is required field will be, and email will be unique, as you know. Now similar way the full name will get created. So I will also create this full name. So I will paste this here, which would be very much familiar. Full name will be type of string and required will be true. Now in the same way the password field. Now here there is a specific condition for the password will give minimum length will be 6. The rest of the fields will be unique. As type will be string, required will be true. Now the next field will be profile pic. Okay, so the profile pic and this all we can easily manage here. Profile pic would be type of string, which would be character, and default will be we'll keep it empty. Now, what about the unit timestamp, which we have in our diagram, as you can see, created and updated field. These are the timestamp which we will require here. So I will easily create a timestamp which is for true, for sure true. And after that, what I will do, I will create a user model here, which would be better responsible for it. Now, in this way, our schema will get created. Just a minute. So this unique model which we have created here for the schema. Okay. So now it would be, I will create this bracket, close the bracket here, and I will create a constant user schema with the Mongo model. So here I will create a constant user schema with the Mongo model, and with that the user which we have created. Now with this user when we create, this would be caps lock. The first would be uppercase, because this user will create and go in users table. Suppose I want to create a message table, message model, so I will write it as message, and this database in this table which would be representing it as messages. Okay, so for better understanding, I hope you are understanding here that user model we have created, so it will go into users table, and similarly the messages, it will go into messages message model with the user messages table. Okay, so here we have exported default user schema which we have already created, and this is all about our user model, creating user model in user schema. And stay tuned for the next videos which will be very helpful for creating our chat app. Thank you for watching.